What's up, guys? I got an install video for you today. Yesterday, it was like Christmas for the 9-year-old that I am. And my Hogworkz mid-frame air deflectors came in. So let's cue the intro and let's get to it. Welcome to the Riderz Nation channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Please put on your bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. Please leave any of your comments or questions below. Let's get to it. So as you can tell, the Riderz Nation garage is not ready for television. It's not even ready for YouTube at this point. But we'll get there. So we're going to unbox this to see. So after struggling with the box, I decided to use two hands. So it comes with a lot of hardware. And I got these mid-frame air deflectors. I got them in the silver flux color. Looks good to me. Looks really good to me. For those of you that don't know, the accent color on the Street Glide Special, that dark color is the silver flux color. That's what color I got the mid-frame air deflectors. I did it because I wanted to kind of break up the orange, because although I love this scorched orange color, I really think you can have too much orange. So I'm trying to break it up, which is why I bought the silver flux. Alright, I'm going to read the directions. I imagine part of the directions is going to be taking the seat off, and then we'll come back for the install. So as it turned out, we didn't really need to take the seat off, but I did anyway. I did install the one on the right side first, didn't film it. I can't tell you it was the easiest thing I've ever done, because I'm more of a sledgehammer than I am a precision tool. It is possible. Hogworkz gives you more than enough hardware. They give you different options. Because this is a 2020 Street Glide Special, it does have a threaded hole, so you don't have to use the speed clip that they give you on the top part. And for this one, we're going to do this side on camera. So I'm going to try to film it without blocking you guys out. We'll see how that works. So they give you this little piece right here. It goes in the bottom. You just slide it in. And it should go right in. We're going to use a little blue thread lock. The bottom bolt in first, because the top bolt is much harder to put in, especially if you have hands like mine. You're just going to put this in hand tight for now. So here you guys go. You can see that bolt. That's the top bolt right there. I'm not sure that we're going to be able to get the bottom bolt, but what I did find out doing this is that the right side, you're going to have to use a wrench to tighten the bolts. And it looks like on the left side, you're going to be able to use a ratchet. So we're going to do that now. Then we're going to put the seat on. Then we're going to look at it and see what it looks like. So here we are. All installed, everything put back together. I like it. I think the silver flux breaks up the orange right there. That's the other side. So it's not an incredibly hard install, even for someone like me. Did take me a little while. It does seem like it depends on the year of your bike. Now we're going to find out how functional it is and how much it works. So why don't we find out now? We made a few changes to our logo. So we're going to give away another Riderz Nation t-shirt. To be entered into the giveaway, you must be a subscriber of the Riderz Nation YouTube channel or subscribe and leave a comment for this video below. Good luck, everybody, and thank you for checking out the channel. Alright, we've been on the bike for about an hour. I went through some stop and go traffic. I stopped at a few red lights. Now 86 degrees. So functionally they work very well. Looks wise, I think they're beautiful. I like the color match. I think for $125 from Hogworkz, the mid-frame heat deflector are good buy. I would do it again. Alright guys, until next time, be safe, live the dream.